Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by enabling the console for remote play and confirming the network. On the Xbox Series X, go to Settings, Devices and Connections, Remote Features, and enable Remote Play. Once done, set the power mode to Instant On so the console wakes remotely. Make sure your laptop is on the same Wi-Fi network or wired Ethernet. This reduces lag and why streaming works. Next, sign into the same Microsoft account on the Xbox app on your laptop, so the app can detect the console immediately. Now connect your controller to the laptop. Use USB-C for plug and play or Bluetooth if you prefer wireless. Open the Xbox app on Windows, go to the Consoles tab, and you should see your Series X listed. Select it and press Stream. The app negotiates the video stream and routes controller input back to the console. While streaming, use the app settings to lower resolution if you see stutter, or bump quality if your network can handle it. This trade-off explains why you might favor Ethernet over Wi-Fi. Finish by optimizing display and audio. Go full screen, set the laptop audio output to your headset or speakers, and match the display scale for best clarity. Close bandwidth-heavy apps on both devices to free up network capacity. If you want rock-solid performance, plug the console or laptop into Ethernet. Troubleshooting tip: if the Xbox app can't find the console, check that both devices are signed into the same Microsoft account. Confirm the console's power mode is Instant On, and ensure they share the same network. That fixes most connection failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.